medical breakthroughs sound like science fiction. Fat that helps you lose weight, a spray that can help save your sex life, and a miraculous test of your heart health that Whoopie is going to take right on our very own stage. And here to tell us all about it is men's health contributor Dr. Stephen Lamm. Welcome, Doctor.
Thank you.
That's interesting.
Okay, now, I know you're really excited to tell us about this next medical hot topic. Now, you say that you can predict a pending heart attack or stroke just by using a finger sensor. Now, what's that?
You know, traditionally, we know that there are risk factors for heart disease, right? If you're a smoker, if you have high blood pressure, if you're overweight, if you have high cholesterol, a strong family history. But you know something? That's not enough, because there are a lot of people who have all those risk factors and you don't get heart attacks. And there are a lot of people who have none of those risk factors and get heart attacks.
Yeah, but you're more apt to get it if you have those.
It's called risk stratification. However, we now have a test that's produced by a company called Itamar. It's called the EndoPAT test. I've done over 200 in my office in the last 5 weeks because I think it's that important. It's you know, for me, it's like garlic for a chef. It's that important a test. What it does is it measures how healthy the blood vessels are. If you're a smoker, if you're overweight, you have high blood pressure, you're ultimately going to injure your blood vessels. This determines the health and wellness of your blood vessels.
Can you do something about it?
You can. That's the whole point. And that's what's so, and it's dynamic. It'll change. You know, the bottom line is, look, we've strapped her up to a little device. Well, this is Whoopie this morning. There are two finger sensors on her index fingers, which is essentially just recording the flow of blood into her hands.
Okay? So what?
And you can see that on the monitor. You see, you see basically that the left and right hand has a certain amount of flow. Then I take a blood pressure cuff and I stop the blood from going into her left hand, and then I released it. If she has healthy blood vessels, she's going to pour the blood into her left hand. Look at the top one. It started out, there was no blood, and all of a sudden I released the blood pressure cuff.
So she's fine.
She's doing great. She had a score of about 1.9, which means she almost doubled the amount of blood going into the left hand.
Doesn't this encourage her to smoke?
No. This should encourage her to get to above. No, hopefully, what we want her to do is to go even higher than that. And when Whoopie stops smoking, that score will go up.
That's pretty damn good.
No, that is very good. But we want her to be better.